Making banana nut bread is a delightful and straightforward process. Here's a simple recipe for how to make banana nut bread with chocolate chips. Ingredients: 3 ripe bananas, mashed, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, ½ cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup chopped nuts, walnuts or pecans, 1 cup chocolate chips. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Prepare the bananas. In a small bowl, mash the ripe bananas with a fork. Add lemon juice to prevent browning. Combine dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Stir butter and sugar. In a large mixing bowl, stir together the softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Add eggs and vanilla. Add the eggs one at a time, kneading well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Add mashed bananas. Mix in the mashed bananas until well combined. Incorporate dry ingredients. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until combined. Mix in nuts and chocolate chips. Gently mix in the chopped nuts and chocolate chips until evenly distributed throughout the batter. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan, spreading it evenly. Bake in the preheated oven for about 60 to 75 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Start checking around 50 minutes and adjust as needed. Allow the banana nut bread to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Once cooled, slice and enjoy your delicious banana nut bread with chocolate chips. The chocolate chips add a delightful burst of sweetness to complement the banana and nuts. Adjust the quantity of chocolate chips to your preference. Did you enjoy this video? If so, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel.